If you put a finger on my sister, guaranteed your head pop, pop, pop just like blister. I might smile and grin, but trust me, darling, when it comes to...
What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. It's your girl Miss Sis, and I'm back with another video. I just want to do like a chilled get ready with me, showing you guys my basic glam, what I'm going to be achieving or looking to do in this time of year, because thankfully in the UK we are now getting some heat. But obviously less is more, that is the new trend, and especially in hot weather conditions, do want to look put together on the occasions when I do go out, because the streets are calling my name, girl. I haven't been out yet, but hopefully I will be able to go to a little restaurant or bar, potentially, who knows. We're gonna be looking all cute, we're gonna be trying on some new hair and all that goodness. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And this is the wig I'm gonna be putting on, girl, okay? She is vibrant, she is here for the summer, she is all up in your business. Now, I want to say thank you so much to Arabella for reaching out to me and sending me this unit. So this is actually a ginger coloured lace front closure, 13x4, and it's a straight unit, or it says body wave straight, but it does look really straight to myself, and it comes pre-plucked and it's human hair Brazilian texture. It comes in this really cute box, and I was really surprised with the little goodies that you get in this package as well, because you get like a little case, you get 2 clips, but one is more of that standard, you know, clip the hair away, and the other one is like a pretty gold clip. It comes with the basic wig cap as well, edge brush, and it actually comes with 2 lashes. Now usually when brands like hair companies send lashes, they're always plasticky, but these look like proper mink lashes, so I was really impressed by that. The wrist construction inside has 3 combs, so 2 near your ears and 1 at the back. It comes with that typical, what I like to say, bra strap at the back, and it also comes with this thick elastic band, which I was really surprised about, because I have never received a unit that comes with a band, nor I've ever like styled a unit or installed a band in my unit. So I was really surprised. Now with the colour, yeah, you guys know that I'm not afraid of colour, right? And I do have like a ginger wig, like a ginger bob, which whenever I wear that bob, I get so much love on that hair colour, which I actually coloured myself. But this to me literally looks orange, like she is proper in your face. So I did slightly try to, you know, make my eyebrows less dark brown, if that makes sense, just to complement this hair color. But yeah, girl, this is what the unit is looking like. So the parting came quite nicely like plucked already, but I just made it a little bit wider. So I personally don't bleach my lace anymore. I haven't done that in donkey's years. So I just like to get a foundation powder, which I'm just going to use the one from Revolution Relove in the shade dark, the super matte one. And I'm just gonna colour my lace, boy, because I don't have no time for bleach up lace, yeah. Now there is a little bit of flyaways. Not too sure if you guys can see that. So it does actually come with this really nice, pretty hairband, which you could probably use it just to accessorize your hair as normal, or to lay down your lace. But I do need some mousse, so I'm gonna use my Cream to Nature Argan Oil mousse. Probably during my makeup I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna crimp it or straighten it, but I'm gonna prime my face. I'm actually gonna do some eyes today, guys. The times when I do want to go out, I want to go all out. So I'm actually going to do some eyeshadows, which I'm going to do first before my base. So there's 2 primers that I'm going to use today. I'm going to use the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I feel like this really helps to smooth out my skin and give it more of a smooth canvas to work with. So you guys know I've got normal dry skin. Even in the summer, my skin will still get dry. So I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip primer, especially going out, depending how long you're out for and how long you're wearing your makeup. I do want my makeup to pretty much stay. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. I'm just going to use my Revolution Ultimate Eye Base in the shade Light. So I'm going to go for something really simple. You guys know me, I say already, simple is key for me anyway. So I'm just going to play with some browns and some golds, especially having this type of hair. I feel like I need to go simple. So I'm going to actually use the Beauty Bay 42 palette, and this is the Furry 2 2.0 palette, which is a beautiful, stunning palette. Like, it's got all your golds, your browns, your neutrals, and a pop of like pinks, reds and yellows. And I just feel like the quality of this eyeshadow palette is just amazing. I don't know how Beauty Bay does it, like literally, but it is amazing. So with my Morphe E23 brush, I think I'm gonna go with this shade first, just to see how dark it appears. This is in a shade called Warm. Very beautiful. Look at that pigment. Like, woo! Yes, girl. I am literally obsessed with that shade. Seriously. Then for more in my inner portion of my eyes, like, look at all the shades of browns. Ooh. I think I'm gonna take Autumn. It's like a warm tone brown, but it's got like a hint of like orange undertone to it. Yeah, blend it in. I'm gonna neaten up the edges when I obviously apply my foundation. I'm gonna semi softly cut my creases, so I'm gonna definitely apply gold, but I just don't know what gold to use. Oh gosh, look at that. Look at this. Honestly, yeah, I think I'm just gonna use 2 shimmers. So I'm gonna go in with Honey first. Done not blending yet, just want to see what vibe I'm going for. I think I'm gonna use the shade Crystal, which is this one at the top. My lower lash line, I'm gonna add my lashes at the end because I just can't stand wearing lashes before doing the rest of my base. I don't know what it is. But I am gonna apply some mascara. This is the 5D mascara from Revolution, just to prepare my lashes before applying my falsies. Okay, so I'm actually gonna apply a illuminator on my face because I do like when my skin has that natural glow. So I'm gonna go in with the Skin Gloss from Revolution. This is in the shade, I think it's bronze. It does literally feel like a gloss, so don't apply too much, but she doesn't disturb the base. That's what I do like about this gloss. I have been loving CC creams and skin tints. Speaking about skin tints, my favourite go-to ones are from Fenty Beauty, the Eavesdrop one. I feel like you guys have seen this quite a lot on the socials and the gram and on YouTube, and I have used this quite a lot. So I'm going to use a inexpensive, an oldie but goodie, and it's from Revolution, and it's the Revolution Pro CC Perfecting Foundation Fond de Teinte, and this has got SPF 30, which is a win-win, which I did apply SPF prior to my makeup. I feel like this has more coverage than the skin tint because it's got that sort of foundation vibe. The buff brush and blend that, like, oh my god, it's the skin for me. You can probably see that I've got a lot of checks. It literally looks like heat rash, but I don't know why my skin is doing that, but it literally looks like heat rash. I'm gonna apply an eye brightener, corrector and a concealer, but in reference I'm probably just gonna say 2 concealers. But the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener, I am obsessed. I love how skin-like it is. I love how it just brightens up my eyes. I found it when you apply creams, it lasts longer, especially in hot weathers. Like, apply cream and then powder it down. Apply cream, powder it down. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Tantor from Huda Beauty in the shade Tan, and I'm just gonna do a very light, subtle bronze. Now I'm gonna use my sponge and blend out that Bright Fix. Now this is like a, because the shade is so warm, it color corrects at the same time, especially on the days that if you don't really wear makeup, you know, the no makeup look. I'm so amazed about this product in particular. It does not crease, and I've got bags, I've got deep set under eyes, I've got folds and loads of fine lines. Whenever I wear this, I can tell I'm wearing this. Does that make sense? Because it literally does not crease. So now for just the extra coverage that we are going to be hitting the streets, I'm going to go in with my Mercier. This is the Secret Camouflage Brightening and Corrector Duo in the shade 5N. Doesn't give you major coverage, so you may want to go in with a concealer that has a little bit more coverage. But for me personally, I like concealers like this, especially on the days when it's a little bit hot. I'm gonna go sweat. So I'm gonna go in with my black opal one, and this is in the shade Neutral Light, because I want more of a subtle glam. Now I don't really bake, no, not really, I do not bake. And I literally do this whole brush method when you just use less and just really press it into the skin. Now I do use the combination of my Charlotte Tilbury powder as well, because once again I do suffer with like creasing problems a lot. So I'm just gonna go in with the translucent powder first. And now if you're oily combination, obviously apply your powders in your areas. Most of the time for people is in the T-zone. I am very dry in my T-zone. I will just use the rest what's on them and just run it through the areas where I applied my concealer. Like, so you see that we still got a little bit of the glow, but the areas that needs to be set are set and in place, girl. Right, so the next thing that we need to do is apply blush. And you guys know I love blushing, but I always complain that my blush disappears within half an hour after application. So the combination of a cream and a powder blush is like the best thing. So I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty. It has become my favorite one, and it's the shade Rose Latte. This gives you like a really warm tone, brown sort of. And like, I love these type of blushes because it also gives you a nice little glow. Do you see that? Please tell me you see this, please. But that, girl, you can't even have chat for me. Okay, so for my powder blush that I'm going to use is the one from Beauty Bay in the shade Coral. Very beautiful everyday blush to use. And guys, I know I'm meant to be like showing you my top blushes in my collection, which I am going to film very soon, okay? I know I'm slacking. I'm so sorry, I haven't forgotten. I am going to film it. This is when I will go in my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Polish Finish Powder in the shade 4. I do like the shade 3, but I have been leaning towards 4 because it's just like more natural. Like, do you see how blurred that side of my face is compared to this side? No, can't have that for me. Take this around my smile lines as well, because sometimes my concealer tends to crease, so I like to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some bronzer. Bronzer, I can't put this down. It's a Fenty Beauty one. I literally can't put it down. And it's the shade Thick Mint, which is more like, you know, a little bit neutral than the red undertone, which I live for. But girl, I'm telling you, since Thick Mint has come about, I haven't actually looked back. I don't know if you guys can still see that, but you see that natural glow on the high points, on my forehead, on my nose. Like, at first when I used that skin gloss from Revolution, I was a little bit like, oh, like, yeah, okay, cool. And I think it was like £10 as well, so I was a little bit like, really, girl? But I am telling you, that does wonders. Like, all that. Weirdly enough, as much as this is claimed as a super matte powder from the Relove brand by Revolution, which was only about like £3, I actually really like it because it's not drying, weirdly enough, for me. Maybe it's because of the amount that I use, I don't know, girl, but I'm going to use this one. It is a matte powder and it's the shade Dark, which is like my foundation shade. So that's all I take, so it's not really a lot. And I literally just press it in the areas where I don't really tend to get dry, to be fair. And then whatever that's left on it, like, I'm not even going to add anymore. I'm just going to lightly dust my face. Okay, so this is the hair. Now, what I have noticed about this hair, I don't know if it's because I washed it, because I always wash my units before I wear them, that is very flyaway, if that makes sense. Like, there is quite a lot of flyaways, so it needs to be tamed with some sort of oil or something, I don't know, which I haven't really applied any oil, to be fair. But I feel like I want to crimp the hair. I don't know what it is, but I just feel like I want to crimp it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm going to crimp the hair. Yes, 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 I'm gonna crimp the hair, girl, because I don't know, I've just really been feeling the crimped hairstyle. I've got my crimpers hair. I got this from Argos, if you're based in the UK. I'm gonna rub a little bit of oil and heat protectant in my hair. Okay, so matte lipsticks are probably best, but I love gloss. I think I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty matte lipstick, but in a shade Board Meeting. And then just to add a little bit more of a nude, I will use the gloss from Morphe in the shade Chill. I'm sorry, but before putting on a gloss, like, this lip combo, oh my gosh. Yeah, this is me. Okay guys, so this is the final complete look. Now I don't know if it's the hair or if it's the 2.5 seconds that my son has been exposed to the sun. My son has been exposed to the sun. My face has been exposed to the sun because I'm still looking a bit pale around my chest area. But I feel like I look really bronze and I'm living for it. Like, I just got that really nice, healthy, lit from within glow, bronzy glow. Makeup is locked. When I say I literally feel like I've got nothing on my skin, with those combination of the products that I've used today, I literally feel like I've got nothing on my skin, and that is what I'm going for. And this is the beat, girl. This is the beat that you'll be seeing me, probably not. Now, in terms of the hair, I was really skeptical at first because she is orange to me, yeah. But I love the colour, and I think it's a perfect time of year to wear this sort of vibrant colour. You know, just brings you a good energy from you as well. Love the texture. It's really soft. I'm really surprised how well it actually holds up these crimpy curls, especially where the hair is so fresh and new. Length for 18 inches. It literally comes like under my bust, so I'm really happy with the length. The construction of the wig, it's a really good quality wig, like, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing I have an issue with this wig is the flyaways, like little sparsy flyaways at the top where the closure is. There is a lot of flyaways in my personal opinion, but I think once the hair gets a little bit older, and obviously combination with like your hair products, it will maintain that. But that's really it. Shedding, yeah, there is some shedding. Nothing too major though, especially for a coloured unit. Thank you so much to Arabella for sending me this unit. I really, really appreciate it. You guys let me know what you think about the glam, what you think about the hair, what type of look can I rock next in terms of hair combo. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this chilled chit chat get ready with me. I will leave all the details in the description box below as per usual. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot, and I love to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And boom, that on the tune like big up my sisters.